Hey gamers! If your Hell Let Loose is stuck on the loading screen or stuck in an infinite loop, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you simple, step-by-step solutions to get the game running smoothly on PC. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Add -DX11 to Launch Options, open Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library and find Hell Let Loose. Click the three dots next to the game. Select Manage under Launch Options. Enable the option to add custom commands. Type -DX11 and save. Launch the game to check if the issue is fixed. If the problem persists, go back to Manage and remove -DX11. Disable launch options completely and try relaunching the game. Step 2. Force close and restart. Alt plus F4 trick. If the game is stuck, press Alt plus F4 to force close it. Relaunch Hell. Let loose from the Epic Games Launcher. Still stuck? Restart your PC and try again. Step 3. Update Epic Games Launcher. Exit the Epic Games Launcher completely. Right-click the Epic Games icon in the taskbar and select Exit. Go to Control Panel, then Programs then. Uninstall a program. Find and uninstall Epic Games Launcher. Visit the official Epic Games website and download the latest version. Install it, log in, and relaunch the game. Step 4. Run the game as administrator. Find Epic Games Launcher on your desktop. Right-click and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Relaunch Hell Let Loose. Final tip. If none of the steps work, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Ensure your graphics drivers and Windows updates are up to date. That's it. These steps should help fix the loading screen issue for Hell Let Loose. If this worked for you, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie for more game troubleshooting tips. Happy gaming,